Yay! It's Peekamelo! One day, I'd really love to visit Mars. Mars is called the Red Planet because of its rusty rocks. I wonder if someone has ever lived there.
Look, the space compass is glowing.
It only does that when someone needs help. It wasn't glowing a second ago. It's coming from Mars.
Sitara 1 knows someone needs our help.
We'd better not keep them waiting. Let's see who's calling us.
Come on!
It's waiting for us. It already knows we're here. Let's go! Wow, they're beautiful! Everything fits perfectly. Ready for Mars! Everyone ready? Systems look perfect. Let's help whoever needs us. To Mars!
Launch sequence initiated.
3, 2, 1. Liftoff! Here we go! We're flying again! Everything is stable. Wow, Earth looks so beautiful. We're leaving Earth's atmosphere. Next stop, Mars. Race you there, Mars! Wait, did you see that? That wasn't sunlight. It looked like someone was sending a signal. We found it! But it doesn't look like a spaceship. Then what could it be? Mars is even more beautiful than I imagined. The signal is coming from somewhere inside that canyon. We're really standing on Mars. It's so peaceful. The signal is very close. Look, over there! These rocks contain iron oxide, making it look red. So Mars is covered with rust? Exactly. That's why it's called the Red Planet. One giant rusty playground. These weren't here a second ago. They're too small to belong to us.
Is someone hiding here? They're leading us somewhere.
The footprints just disappeared. This crystal is giving off the same energy as the signal. Maybe it's trying to lead us somewhere. Over here! The crystal! It's opening something! This isn't natural. Someone built this. I think we found the source of the signal. So, you were calling for help. It's trapped! Don't worry, we're here now. The crystal isn't broken. Its power connection is. If we can restore the energy, might wake up. Let's fix it together.
A long time ago.
What an amazing world! Wow!
Yeah!
Mars was green in billions of years.
It was beautiful.
Let's protect our planet too.
The beacon is working! We did it!
Mission complete!
Hooray!
We'll never forget you. Take care, little friend. Keep the beacon shining. Bye-bye! See you again, friend. Goodbye, Mars. Mission complete. Home we go! Goodbye, Mars. We'll come back someday.
The beacon will keep shining.
Bye-bye! The compass. It's glowing again.
Another adventure? Tweet!
Our next mission awaits. Let's get ready.
I can't wait! Off we go!
That's Jupiter! Another signal. I guess our adventure isn't over. Jupiter, here we come! Another adventure is waiting. Jupiter is calling us. I wonder what we'll find.
Let's explore!